We all know that a baby's first step is one of the most amazing moments in life. But, when you have hardwood floors and want to give your child the opportunity to learn how to walk? You may be wondering which type of walker would work best for this situation, doing no harm to your hardwood floors as well as your baby. So in this video we will discuss 5 best baby walker for hardwood floors. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. VTech Sit-to-Stand Learning Walker. If you're looking for something a little more budget-friendly, try the VTech Sit-to-Stand Learning Walker. This model is made from sturdy materials that can take a beating and has a variety of features that will help your baby learn to walk and keep them entertained for hours. What makes it excellent for hardwood floors is the non-slip rubber around the wheels and its speed controls to help slow babies down on slippery floors. In fact, some complain that it's too difficult to push on the carpet. With its many different learning modes, multiple color-coded keys that develop fine motor skills, and engaging songs, melodies, and flashing lights, this is a great choice for parents who want their babies to have fun while they learn. If you're looking for something durable, interactive, and affordable with multiple color options, look no further than the VTech Sit-to-Stand Learning Walker. Number 2. Radio Flyer Activity Walker. Another great option for baby walkers on hardwood floors is the Radio Flyer Activity Walker. With its sturdy, sleek, and compact design, this push walker provides a smooth ride with its rubber wheels that make it easy for your little one to enjoy it indoors or out. Its activity area is full of sensory gadgets and toys. With plenty of storage space in the hidden rear compartment, you can easily bring along toys, snacks, or other essentials as you go about your day. The safety resistance clickers provide enough resistance to slow down your little one on smooth floors, and its wheels won't damage delicate hardwood flooring. It helps beginners to build confidence and balance. The Radio Flyer Activity Walker is sure to be a hit with both parents and babies alike. They also offer a wagon-style walker that has been a highly popular choice for parents for many years. Number 3. Melissa and Amp Doug Activity Walker. If you're looking for a durable, quality baby push walker that's interactive yet not too distracting, you should consider the Melissa and Amp Doug Alligator Push and Amp Activity Walker. With its unique design and rubber-lined wheels, this alligator-themed walker is sure to keep your little ones safe as they explore their environment. It's pretty tough to tip. The alligator's mouths open and shut when the walker is pushed along, and it makes a gentle clacking sound. Though there are no adjustable speed settings with this walker, its default speed works well for most babies on hardwood floors. However, every baby is different, so this walker's speed may be best suited for older babies who are not just starting out with walking. This walker helps foster learning and development in an exciting and interactive way. So if you want an easy-to-use yet high-quality baby walker for hardwood floors, look no further than the Melissa and Amp Doug Alligator Push and Amp Activity Walker. Number 4. Joovy Spoon Baby Walker. The Joovy Spoon Walker is a great way to get your baby mobile and independent. It comes with many features that make it easy for you to set up and take down. Most importantly, it is excellent for hardwood floors. The wheels don't make scratches or dents on your floor. Furthermore, the oversized wheels make it easy to move the walker on hardwood floors as well as carpet. The non-slip stair pads keep your baby safe when they are near stairs. In addition, the supersized tray with a removable insert makes for a great mealtime companion. On top of this, it has 2 positions that can be adjusted in height so that no matter what size child you have or how tall they are, this product will suit them perfectly. All in all, I give this 5 stars out of 5 because it's such an awesome piece of equipment. Joovy really thought about everything here, from safety features to comfortability. Not much more could be asked for in a baby seat. Number 5. KidsEmbrace Batman Baby Activity Walker. The KidsEmbrace Batman Baby Activity Walker is an innovative toy that will keep your child entertained for hours. It's designed to be a fun way for kids to learn how to walk with features like an easy swivel steering wheel, gear shifter, an attached key that all make sounds, vibrate, and flashlights when played with. The wheels come in a standard size, perfect for hardwood floors, and do not harm your hardwood floors. The harness is designed for ultimate mobility and comfort. The cover removes easily and allows you to wash it in the washing machine. The plastic is easy to sanitize as well. The activity walker comes with a child-proof security latch for quick collapse, making it easier than ever to keep your space free from clutter. This toy will provide long hours of entertainment without breaking or damaging anything on accident because it's designed just like an actual vehicle. Overall, the walker is great for your baby boy when you have hard floors in the house. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.